Welcome to the Metaverser Game Maker 3.7. In this version, 11 new components have been added to Game Maker, and I plan to introduce these to you by creating an engaging project, a bumper car game, in the form of a YouTube playlist. The first component is the GLB Importer, which allows you to import your desired 3D objects into Game Maker. Your 3D files must have a GLB extension. You can create these files using software that exports in GLB format, such as 3ds Max, or you can download these objects from various online stores. Keep in mind that 3D objects must meet specific requirements to be imported into Game Maker. These details are explained in the article Guidelines for User-Generated 3D Assets in Metaverser. I have provided the link to this article in the video description. Additionally, on the Metaverser website, there is a selection of ready-to-use 3D objects for Game Maker. To use these objects, simply select a basic object in Game Maker and add the GLB Importer component to it. In the GLB Importer component, there is a link to the section for ready-to-use objects. By clicking on it, you will be directed to the relevant page. Simply copy the link of one of the objects and paste it into the GLB Importer. One of the websites where you can find a variety of free 3D objects is Sketchfab. Enter the name of the object you're looking for in the search box. Before downloading the object, make sure to check the number of vertices and triangles to ensure compatibility with Game Maker's requirements. After downloading the GLB file, you must make some modifications to it. Blender is one of the suitable and free softwares for this purpose. In Blender, delete the default objects using the delete key. Then, select the GLTF option from the Import menu under File. Then, select the downloaded GLB file and click the Import button. In the first step, we need to remove any unnecessary parents from the selected object. To do this, select the object, move the mouse to the center of the screen, press Alt+P, and choose the Clear Parent option, then, delete the extra parents. In the next step, we need to correct the object's scale and rotation. To do this, in the Scale section enter 0.001 for X, Y, and Z, then in the Rotation section, enter -1 for the X value. Then, bring the mouse to the center of the screen, press Ctrl+A, and select the Rotation and Scale options in sequence. Finally, select the GLTF option from the Export menu under File. After naming your GLB file, disable the animation option, and then press the Export button. Now, you should send the GLB file to the Metaverser team. If it meets the Game Maker requirements, you will receive a URL for the approved object, which you can then use in Game Maker. Contact details for the Metaverser team are mentioned in the video description. After receiving the URL of the desired object, simply enter it into the GLB Importer component. The 3D design team at Metaverser has prepared some bumper cars, which I will use in the upcoming tutorials to build the bumper car game project. More videos will be released soon, so make sure you've subscribed to our channel. See you in Metaverser.